Ever wondered how to switch between applications quickly? Or how to take a screenshot on your Mac without needing to download a separate app? Welcome to the fourth installment of our keyboard shortcut series, where we delve into the world of specific shortcuts for both Windows and Mac operating systems. From swiftly navigating between open applications to capturing your screen with a simple keystroke, we've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll be navigating your computer like a pro, saving time and effort. And let's dive into the world of Windows-specific shortcuts. Windows is a powerhouse of productivity, and keyboard shortcuts can ignite that power. Let's start with an essential one: switching between open applications. By pressing Alt and Tab together, you can seamlessly glide from one program to another without lifting your fingers off the keyboard. It's like having a personal assistant to manage your digital workspace. Now let's say you've got a cluttered desktop and you need to find that one elusive icon. Simply press the Windows key and D together to show or hide your desktop. It's like having an instant cleaning service for your screen. Next, we have the shortcut to open File Explorer. Pressing the Windows key and E together is like having a direct line to your files and folders. It's a speedy way to dive into your digital library. Finally, security is paramount in the digital age. With the press of the Windows key and L together, you can lock your computer. It's as though you have a personal security guard standing by to protect your data. These shortcuts are not just keys on a keyboard, they are your secret weapons for navigating the digital world with ease. Once you start using them, you'll wonder how you ever managed without them. These shortcuts are sure to make your Windows experience more efficient. Now, for those of you who are part of the Apple ecosystem, these Mac-specific shortcuts are for you. First on the list is the shortcut for switching between open applications. Just press Command plus Tab. This simple combination lets you toggle between your open apps quickly and efficiently. No more need for that pesky trackpad or mouse, just a quick press and you're where you want to be. Next, we have the Spotlight search. This is a system-wide search utility that you can summon with Command plus Space. Whether you're looking for a specific document, a forgotten application, or even a quick calculation, Spotlight has got your back. It's like having your own personal assistant right there on your Mac. But what about when you're already in an application and you need to tweak something? That's where Command plus Comma comes in. This opens the preferences or settings of the current application you're in. It's like having a backstage pass to your apps, allowing you to customize them to your liking with just a few keystrokes. Now let's talk screenshots. Command plus Shift plus 3 will take a screenshot of your entire screen, capturing everything in view. It's a great tool for preserving information quickly. But what if you only want a portion of the screen? That's when you use Command plus Shift plus 4. This lets you select an area of the screen to capture. It's like having a customizable camera right there on your keyboard. And there you have it. With these shortcuts, you're equipped to navigate your Mac like a pro. So go ahead, give them a try. See how they can streamline your day-to-day tasks and make your Mac usage smoother and faster. With these shortcuts, your Mac usage will be smoother and faster. So we've covered some really useful shortcuts for both Windows and Mac users today. Let's quickly recap. For Windows, remember that Alt plus Tab lets you switch between applications. The Windows key with D shows or hides your desktop. The Windows key with E opens File Explorer. And the Windows key with L locks your computer. For Mac, Cmd plus Tab also allows you to switch between applications. Cmd plus Space opens Spotlight. Cmd plus comma opens the settings for your current application. Cmd plus Shift plus 3 takes a screenshot of your entire screen, and Cmd plus Shift plus 4 takes a screenshot of a selected area. Practice makes perfect, so get to it and enhance your computing experience. Remember to subscribe to our channel and check the description box for the previous parts of this series. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and drop a comment if you've got any questions or feedback. Until next time, keep exploring and enhancing your tech skills.